starting a new sewing project? Well, here's a good tip to consider. When sewing, you should always use the best quality and brand new threads. Using the newest and freshest threads on your machine will provide you with a nice outcome. Did you know that thread has shelf life? Well, yes it does, and it depends on how you store it. Most companies say a few years. Here's an easy way to test your threads. Just wrap it around your index fingers and then pull. If it has a fresh cut, then it's good. But if it looks like the cat got to it, then it's no good. This one came out good. So do you want your threads to last? Well, you should not hang them on the wall like this. One reason is that they can get dusty, and another is the sunlight can damage them and break down their strength. So the best way is to hide them from the sunlight and dust. Just grab a plastic container to store them and keep them fresh. Thank you so much for watching, and follow for more tips like this.